Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about Indian Navy Recruitment 2021. If you want to read about the details, you can check the link from the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to our website Freshers Now and get all the information at one place itself. Don't forget to join us through Telegram, because through Telegram Freshers Now channel you will be getting regular job updates. Link is provided in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Indian Navy has opened its vacancies for all unmarried male candidates only for the recruitment of sailors under various departments, and there are also various other positions also available. So we will be covering up with the official notification. The eligibility conditions are as follows. If you want to apply, you have to apply through online, and the division or the consideration of the candidate is going to be according to state-wise and not all together. So there is going to be a division of consideration. Approximately for the education qualifications, you should have matriculation examination, which should be from a recognized education board. And the job specifications are for chef, steward, and for hygienist. You should have the relevant qualifications as per the role. The pay is going to be accordingly. So the pay and allowances during the training period, you will be given only a stipend of rupees 14,000, and then once you complete your training, you will be then upgraded to the level pay, which is going to be 21,700 to 69,000, and adding up all the other allowances. Next, the promotion is going to be according to the rank wise. So once you level up, you will be further promoted according to the ranks by the selection boards. And the prerequisites are as follows. So during the training period, sailors will be given books, reading material, uniforms, and other accommodation as per the entitlement. And you should also be making sure that you will be having the insurance bond of 50 lakhs for sailors as it is applicable. The selection criteria is under these stages, which is going to be written test and physical fitness test. Only if you pass your written test and physical fitness test, you will be then considered into the enrollment. The written test is going to be bilingual, which is Hindi and English, and it is going to be under objective basis. It comprises of two sections, which is science, maths, and general knowledge. The question paper is going to be set on the syllabus, which is in regards of the 10th standard. If you want to know more about the examination, you can check the official website. However, the examination is going to be just for 30 minutes. Once you finish your examination, then you will be proceeded for the physical fitness test, which might be on the same day itself. The physical fitness test is going to be for 1.6 kilometers run for 7 minutes, 20 squats, and 10 push-ups. After that, the merit list will be made according to the performance. And after you complete all these stages, you will be then proceeded for the medical examination, where the candidate needs to be medically qualified and certified that he is fit. Medical standards will be conducted as per the sailor's entry and the norms of the organization. The enrollment to the medical examination will be held under the merit list only. So only if you are medically fit, you will be then proceeded further. And next is for the eyesight. Here you have to make sure the medical fitness covers every aspect of your checkup, which covers your eyesight, the vision, and also height, chest, weight, etc. The training and initial engagement. The training period is going to be, or the course is going to be starting from April 2022. And this is a 12 weeks basic training. After that, you will be allotted to the trades whichever you are belonging to in the naval trainings establishments. The discharge being unsuitable, or if you are undergoing through any misconduct or duplication, then you will be further discharged from the training period. The initial engagement after the completion of the training, it is going to be for the period of 15 years for MR. Next. The next important point is you have to apply through online along with the documents. The guidelines are given in how to apply section in the same notification. Important section here is you have to be checking the official website for merit list for any of the updates or notification. Now the merit list you will be getting on towards the end of March of 2022. So keep checking the official notification for all the relevant updates. Candidates, make sure that you are also having the police verification certificate with you when you are submitting the relevant documents. During the document verification, you have to make sure that all your original documents are ready for the document verification step. Now here is the how to apply section or the guidelines. Make sure that no inquiry will be entertained to this recruitment for a period of 6 months after the closing date. The dates are given here. So 29th of October to 2nd of November 2021 are the dates where you have to start your application process. You have to start applying in the official website only, not in any of the middle agents websites. So you have to first register yourself, give valid email ID and also create your password, log in, apply or fill in all the relevant documents in the application form. Do not leave anything empty, because incomplete applications or irrelevant documents are going to lead to the cancellation of the application. After you scan your documents and upload them according to the guidelines which are given here, with good photograph and good academic format of the documents, then you will be finally reviewing all of the procedures that you have done. Then you can finally submit. And in case if you are having any difficulty, please head over to the FAQ section which is present in the official website as given. The next section is the important information, which are as follows. You have to not be misbehaving, and you should avoid submitting multiple applications under one candidate name. So make sure that you are giving your full name, date of birth according to your matriculation certificate only. If one candidate submits multiple applications, that means the candidate is going to be rejected. The decision of the panel is going to be final. The last date of application is going to be 2nd of November. So don't wait till the last date and start applying. And please be aware of the fraudulent agencies or any sort of other websites and do not proceed with them. Only keep checking the official website as it is mentioned here in the notification. And if you want to directly start applying now, you can just scan over the QR code and then you can start applying. The same official notification is placed in the description box, so you can check it out. If you have further queries, please place them in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.